Hi everyone, we are here at the Creation Museum today for one of our very first Explore Days with our new education specialist, Jennifer Rivera. And so why don't you tell us a little bit about the topic for today's Explore Day and maybe explain a little bit what they're about.
Yes, today we're doing Explore Forensics, and so the kids have been engaged in 4 hands-on forensic-focused workshops. So they learned about fingerprints, how to process fingerprints, and right now they're doing a forensic hair analysis where they're getting to look at the different metalloid patterns between animals and humans and distinguish those differences.
It's really exciting. I've been to some of the forensics workshops just on the fingerprinting. I've been to the hair one, and they're really fun. A lot of kids are very interested in all of that crime scene analysis types of things. So this is a great opportunity for them to investigate that. Now, this is not the only one of these that we're going to be offering this year. So why don't you just give us a little bit of an overview of the ones we're having in the coming months?
Sure. In February, we're doing Explore Genetics. In March, we'll be doing Explore Physical Science. In April, we'll be doing Explore Zoology. And in May, we'll be doing Explore Botany.
And this is for grades 4th through 12th grade, and they come for a whole day, like I say, 4 hands-on workshops, lunch in between. Did they have an animal encounter today as well?
Yes, they did. One of our alpacas visited from our petting zoo.
Oh, neat. So lots of fun things for the kids to do. And what makes this, obviously we're a museum, and so what makes the Explore Days that we have here, these science education workshops, different from workshops you might see at a secular museum?
One thing you'll always get here at the Creation Museum is science from a biblical worldview, whereas if you go to a secular museum, you won't get that same perspective. And we always try to point back to the truth of God's Word.
That's one thing I've always appreciated about these workshops is they really talk about us being fearfully and wonderfully made. And it's amazing to see the differences between an alpaca hair and a human hair and a dog hair. And so it really is neat to explore those differences. Well, she's very busy and we're full. I mean, we sold out this workshop today. There's 50 kids here doing all of these hands-on things. So I'm going to let her get back to work and we're going to go talk to a couple of the students just to get their impression. So thanks, Jennifer. All right, see ya. All right, so we're going to walk over here. Let's see. So as you can see, there's a lot of kids here. And I have to focus on these 2 lovely young ladies because this one here is Elizabeth, my daughter, and this one is Jennifer's daughter, Diana. So are you guys having fun today?
Uh-huh.
Are you going to say anything?
Sure.
So what hairs are you looking at right now?
Her hair.
Oh, her hair.
Yeah.
Have you looked? Are you going to compare it to yours? Yeah. And see if it's different? Yeah. So she really didn't want to be on camera today, but I told her too bad she was going to have to deal with it. So so anyways, but some really fun days and some other things that we have coming up. Also, so let's say you can't come to these Explore Days here at the museum over the next few months. Well, we're going to offer 2 science camps, Explore Science Camps this summer. They're 5-day summer camps in June and July, and you can get on the website to find out more information about those and to register for those. They have an overnight here at the Creation Museum, and it'll be some of the same workshops that we're doing throughout the year, but all kind of in 1 week of day camp. So you'll want to be sure to check out. The other thing that will be going up on our website very soon is our high school biology labs that we're going to be offering. So this is a great opportunity for homeschool parents to get in that lab requirement that you need for high school students. And so it will be, next year will be biology that we're going to be doing. So 12 sessions, 24 labs in those 12 sessions. So you'll want to be sure to, we'll be sure to include that information on our website, the link to that when we have that available. But lots of opportunities that you can see for all ages here at the Creation Museum because we are about science education because God created science and we love to explore that as scientists. So thanks for watching and we'll see you soon.